What do you mean by it's safe? It's not at all safe.
Vaccine could cause infertility.
are at high risk for getting complications from COVID.
वैक्सीनेशन के बाद भी वो लोग बेड पे पड़े हैं, लाइक बॉडी पेन, फीवर.
Hi guys.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Long time no see. How's my background? I
कैसे
think
हो
it's
सब
good.
लोग?
That's good. Okay.
सब बढ़िया था। आप लोग बताओ आप कैसे हो?
Great. You know, actually, there's a
How-
even during this lockdown, people are getting married. There's a wedding right down the street. Like, I don't know how they're managing it. I saw them putting haldi to the groom outside.
They need something to do with the lockdown.
That's so weird.
Yeah.
Good spending the time.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes, babe. What are you
Who are
doing?
we?
She went.
I'm nothing. Just chit-chatting with my friends. You say?
She hasn't muted
No,
herself.
not problem. I have muted my call. No. What? Your vaccination suit? No. You are not going to do so. No, you can't take vaccination. It's about the future. You can't take risk on it. No?
Tanya, your mic is on.
What do you mean by it's safe? It's not at all safe.
Forgot to off.
No, I'm not an idiot like you to book my slot also. I read somewhere that it is not safe for us as it may cause infertility. I read on WhatsApp. My friend forwarded me. यार whatever, I don't know. अरे जितना कहा उतना करो ना यार. Can you please not argue with me on this? Just do what I say. Okay, I've got to go now. Just cut the call. We will discuss it on later. Okay, bye.
Hey, what were you saying about that fertility thing?
Wait, what? I was audible to you all?
Yeah, your mic
Yeah,
is
man.
on.
Clearly audible. And the fertility thing is totally a rumor. In fact, what I heard was that people with underlying conditions shouldn't get vaccinated.
अरे ज्यादा phantom मत बनो यार. There is absolutely no data from clinical trials or any theoretical reason stating कि vaccine could cause infertility. See, the vaccine is not a live virus, so it you won't pass anything to the baby. And तुम कह कैसे सकते हो कि vaccine से ऐसा कुछ होगा?
Yeah, but people who have underlying conditions like diabetes, heart disease are at high risk for getting complications from COVID. So it's even more reasonable why they should get vaccinated.
मैंने व्हाट्सएप पे ये भी पढ़ा है that people with suppressed immune system shouldn't get vaccinated. रुको, मेरे पास व्हाट्सएप मैसेज है. I will show you.
There are so many such things I am hearing about vaccine. How can anyone trust on it?
And in fact अपने दोस्तों को ही देख लो. वैक्सीन के बाद भी वैक्सीनेशन के
It's not
बाद
like
भी वो
that.
लोग बेड पे पड़े हैं, लाइक बॉडी पेन, फीवर.
People with suppressed immune system should definitely get vaccinated. Like low grade fever or muscle ache are normal and not cause for an alarm. They are signs that the body's immune system is responding to the vaccine and is gearing up to fight the virus. The news you hear or see on WhatsApp is not always true, so don't believe it, guys.
Yeah, exactly. Everything you hear on WhatsApp is wrong. It's like rarely that you find any news that is actually true. And vaccination is important, dude. I think everybody should get vaccinated.
अरे पर मैंने ये बहुत लोगों से सुना है. How can so many people be strong?
मतलब once you get vaccinated, you don't have to wear mask or practice social distancing. It's like that. नहीं, who told you this? You have to wear mask. इतना भी भारी नहीं होता mask that you can't bear it. Vaccine लगवाने के बाद भी you know there's like 5 to 10% chances like कोरोना के different variants होते हैं, तो still you have to wear mask to protect yourself.
Yeah, like vaccine dose isn't 100% effective, but there is 95% of you being safe, which is really great. Don't you guys better to have something instead of nothing?
Yeah, you guys are right. We should take the vaccine because we must look at the bright side of the vaccine.
Yeah.
Focus on that.
Exactly. We should at least have something to protect ourselves. Before, actually, I don't understand this part. Before, people used to say when we didn't have vaccine, they used to complain like vaccination ही नहीं है, vaccine कब लाना है. But now when we got the vaccine, people are like, no, इसके इतने side effects हैं, ये है वो है. I think everybody should agree and
Very
just
true.
get vaccinated already.
या बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेने का रे बाबा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, now I'm going to book my stories now.
Great.
What are your points on it? You taking the vaccine?
Yeah, like I've got myself vaccinated, and there is nothing much after that you can do. Like just apply a cold ice pack on the injected area, keep yourself hydrated, and eat healthy food. And avoid going out for a few days, like around 14 to 15 days. Take
Yeah, I think it's
precautions.
better to take rest for few days.
Yeah, and strictly avoid alcohol consumptions.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because like during this after vaccination, it seems like your immune system improves. So if you will have to take rest for few days, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Several bad puns later.
I have some work with my website design, so I'll see you guys later tomorrow. It was nice for today.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Tomorrow. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye.
So hey guys, I hope by watching this video you understand how rumors affect other people's life and other people's mindset, and that influences the other people also. So some people do it by intentionally and some by doing only by unknowingly. So to overcome this, I have three strategies for you. You can follow this to check the news you have heard is a rumor or a verified source. So the three strategies I will suggest you are: first, all users must check the source of the information that they are either sharing or forwarding to families or friends. Second is we have to come up with the new regulatory and information governance framework to address the challenge of intentional spread of misinformation. Third is proactively widespread of shared information through formal channels. For example, WHO, the World Health Organization, has created a Mythbuster page on their website to refute some of these health-related claims, and so have many other fact-checker websites. In this also, in the past lockdown also, the government of India has created a WhatsApp helpline number in which you can send a namaste message to a number I'll sign in the screen. You can all see that, to get the authentic information only on WhatsApp. This helps you to get rid of the fake news. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go grab your first slot ASAP, because अभी स्लॉट्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, बिल्कुल भी बहुत मुश्किल से मिल रहे हैं. आपको बहुत लगना पड़ेगा स्लॉट्स के लिए. तो ये सब बातें छोड़ दो कि ये सब र्यूमर्स है सारे के सारे, कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट नहीं है. थोड़े बहुत माइनर साइड इफ़ेक्ट तो सबको होते हैं, वो तो नॉर्मल है, सबको होंगे. सो गाइज, बुक योर स्लॉट्स ASAP एंड टैग अस ऑन द Instagram एज अ फर्स्ट जैब. और ये सब बातें भूल जाओ. वी वॉन्ट दिस वीडियो टू बी शेयर इन फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, इन योर एवरी ग्रुप, so that every people from every family understand these are only a rumors and you not believe in these. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, or we'll fight this corona together.
मेरे को इस बार रिक्स लेने का ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेने का है.